Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a rose with different color variations. For this, let's draw some colors. First, we are going to draw, the pink color. Let's put the outlines for the pink. Okay. So all the petals of the rose, this is assembled without serial, but everything is comes from the center point. I'm just drawing the bigger strokes here. Alright, so you can see that the basic shapes of the flowers, this is done. Now we are going to put the shades to draw the flower very nice. So for all the petals, the shades are, one side is darker and another side is going to be brighter. Okay. As you can see, the drawing's getting nice. Alright, so you can see that the rose, the flower, this is going to be the visible. Alright, in the bottom I'm going to draw the green color, as you can see I'm doing right now. And let's connect from this point. Okay, and we are going to make the shades here. Okay, two sticks coming out. These are very thin sticks. Let's draw a freehand line for the sticks. All right. You can see the green petals. Okay, and the red color or the deep color in the middle. For the leaves, we're going to use the green, dark green, and another leaves we're going to draw here with the dark green. Now we are going to put the light green color for this part. Okay, let's put the sticks a darker. All right, and the other part which is just left over, we're going to put a different color, like yeah, we are going to put orange color on the other parts. So this is the variations. But I think the deeper color is going to good. Let's put the deeper color and we see. Few strokes. All right. The thing is that sometimes we need to make the details of few drawings. So for these three petals, we're going to put the red color, as you know. So the red, let's draw red like this. Okay, so this is a nice combinations of red and other colors. Maybe we're going to put some red variations for each of the petal in the borders, as you can see. So this is going to be a nice variations for all over the petals. You can see the red outlines. This is good. All right. Sometimes, few petals comes up totally red. Okay, so this is how the drawing looks nice. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Have a good day.